Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do an aesthetic room makeover, and this is going to be an aesthetic plus extreme room transformation, and I'm really excited for this. And if you also want to know how it will turn out, so watch the video till the end. And also if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I will link it in the description. So let's jump into the video. So today is day 1, and today we are going to move all the things out from this room, and we are going to empty this room. So yeah, this is how the room looks like. So I'm done with filling all the holes, and now it looks really too good. And tomorrow I will be painting the room because अभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक चुकी हूँ and मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं है कि मैं पेंट करूँ. So tomorrow I will paint. Will meet you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so today is day 2 and today I will be painting the room, and it is going to be a very difficult task for me क्योंकि मैं अकेले पेंट करने वाली हूँ, कोई हेल्प करने वाला नहीं है. So yeah, let's do it. सो हमने बेड यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर लिया इस रूम में, एंड अभी मैं रूम को पूरा क्लीन करने वाली हूँ, अच्छे से सारा सामान सारा हटाने वाली हूँ. एंड वहाँ पे मैं अपने क्लोथ्स लगाने वाली हूँ, मतलब हैंग करने वाली हूँ. the door, and here I am having my color. This is oil paint, and now I will start coloring the door. So guys, I got few things from market. So first thing is this bed sheet, and the next thing is these curtains, and I also got these two cushions, and I like this one, and these two cushions, and I also have these pink LED strip light, and yeah, I also got two room decor items from Amazon. So in case you guys want to know, or if you guys want to purchase, I will link it in the description. You guys can go and check it out. So first is these fairy lights, and second is this. I have fake vines. I have these fake vines, and I really loved it a lot. And also I like this fairy light, and I wanted this from a very long time. So finally I got these. So I'm done with putting the curtains, and it really looks too good. So now I will be putting the LED strip lights, and I will be sticking them around the corners of the wall. And yeah.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when
सो मेरे पास जो ट्रंक्स थी वो मैंने यहाँ पे कॉर्नर में रखी है. सो या एंड अभी मैं यहाँ पर इस वॉल पे अपना मिरर लगाने वाली हूँ.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry